We have a Grob 4V-18. It's got a mister, work light, has air blast or whatever they call that. It's got a protractor here that is automatic. This is hooked up to air. There's an air cylinder back here that'll actually draw this in. Pretty cool. Let me move this manual. Oh, I guess it doesn't go in that far. You can have it go in that far. You just got to move the pins back or forward. Anyways, like I say, it's a protractor. It's got a welder. It does work. We tested it. There's a band that we just a little strap, banding strap that we ran through there. It's got a grinder. It's got a cutoff. There you go. You return. There's your knobs for that this protractor. Then, if you don't want that in, you just take this out, and you can put this. You can put this piece back in. Okay. Work light. Very nice. New in 1979, but I tell you what, she's in dang nice shape. Oh, I forgot to mention, there's a bunch of blades with it. We didn't even count them, but there's 3 boxes of blades. I would assume there's over 10 blades there. Be safe to say. Thank you.